Friendship is an important part of childhood. So much so, the toy industry has made billions from it for decades. Anyone remember this?
My buddy, my buddy, my buddy, my buddy. Wherever I go, he goes.
Well, move over, buddy, because a robot made for children is breaking onto the scene. Codey is a 3-foot-tall AI-powered humanoid robot designed to be your kid's pal. Built for natural interaction, Codey can navigate autonomously, hold conversations, and make basic decisions without human control. The robot combines advanced sensors, onboard computing, and AI to perceive its environment and interact with users. Codey is also powered by Singularity Net's Hyperon framework, leveraging decentralized AGI to enable learning, reasoning, and adaptability. Pilot programs are already exploring uses in healthcare, education, and hospitality, and you might even spot Codey in public spaces like museums, hotels, and galleries. Children growing up with humanoid robots may be inevitable, but sourcing the right components isn't. Unless you go to Mouser Electronics. Weidmuller PROeco II power supplies with snap-in technology enable fast, tool-free wiring, reducing installation time and effort. They deliver up to 95% efficiency, lowering heat and operating costs. The compact design fits tight control cabinets, while tricolor LEDs and status relays simplify diagnostics. With a high MTBF exceeding 1 million hours and reliable startup at -40 degrees Celsius, they ensure long-term performance. Compatible with DC UPS and monitoring modules, these globally approved power supplies offer flexible, efficient, and cost-effective power management. The Weidmuller PROeco II power supplies are designed for industrial automation, robotics, OEM machine building, and more. Check them out today by visiting Mouser.com or by clicking the link below. Choosing the right breaker starts with using single, 2, and 3-phase systems. To explain, we present David's Corner.
Thanks, Andy. I have here in my hand a fairly standard residential circuit breaker. This circuit breaker would be for like lights or outlets in your house. It has one disconnect, which means that it only disconnects one of the wires. But on lights or outlets, we have 2 wires going. Why then, in the case of a 3-phase system, which has 3 wires going to a load, do we need to disconnect all 3 of the lines? When we look at a residential circuit, do they have 2 wires, but we only need to switch on and off one of them? Well, the answer lies in the fact that in a residential circuit, in a low voltage 120 volt system, we're switching on and off the hot wire, and the second wire is the neutral. Only one of these wires is actually energized, and that's the wire that we switch on and off. Now, if we switch to a 3-phase system, on most loads, like a motor, it does not have a neutral wire, which means that all 3 of the wires are hot or live. Therefore, we must switch all 3 of those off, otherwise one of the wires might still be energized and can be very dangerous. Similarly, on a high voltage single phase, like a 240 volt system, in a house this would be heaters, your oven for example, a dryer. Those also have 2 hot legs, even though it's still only a single phase system. And in those circuit breakers, we have to disconnect both of the hot legs. So while it might look a little bit different, one circuit switched on and off to turn off a 2-wire device, it seems a little bit different, but they're actually exactly the same kind of system. It's just how many hot wires do we have? 1 hot wire for your lights, 2 hot wires for your dryer or your stove, but 3 hot wires to run industrial loads like motors. Andy, back to you.
Thank you, David. All right, it's time to adjust your knowledge gains in our Smart Bit quiz with our 3 control automation questions. The questions are scored using actuator output percentage, and today we'll be testing your knowledge on HMI, guess the interface purpose. Let's begin with our first question worth 25%. A screen shows real-time tank levels with color changes at defined thresholds. Its primary purpose is A, process visualization, or B, alarm management. And the answer is A, process visualization. This interface is designed to display live process data, and the color changes enhance visibility rather than serve as a full alarm management system. Okay, let's move on to our next question worth 25%. An interface logs operator actions along with timestamps for each activity. Is this A, control interface, or B, audit trail system? And the answer is B, audit trail system. The primary function of this interface is to track and record user actions for traceability, compliance, and accountability. Okay, let's move on to our final question worth 50%. A panel allows operators to manually open and close valves in the system. Is its purpose A, supervisory control, or B, data historian? And the answer is A, supervisory control. Since the interface enables direct manipulation of field devices, it serves a supervisory control function rather than storing historical data. Want to try again? Just click the link on your screen and be sure to check out our other Automator's Edge videos for the latest in control automation.